Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kurtiwada. In this video, we will learn about Next.js not found page and how to customize it. So by default, Next.js has its own not found page, which will not be visible to us. But whenever you hit a route which is not present or which is not configured in our project, then you will be seeing this not found page output. Let me go into the browser and see how it works. So I gave some wrong URL. So what it is doing is it is showing the not found, that is 404. And what I'll do is I'll just give something like ABC direct value, something like ABC and hit enter. Now it is showing the 404. What I'll do is I'll create a not found page at app level, and you have to create as it is how I am creating now, because this file name is reserved by Next.js. So whenever you want to override not found page, you have to create something like this: export default, and we can export any function from this. That is the default export, and I'm using a function, and the function name is not found, and let me return a value h1 not found custom component and save this. Now you can see instead of default 404, now you will be seeing this h1. You can see not found custom component. Now what I'll do is I'll go inside the pre-login, and inside the register, let me create a new file called as not hyphen found.js. And here what I'll do, I'll just copy the same thing, put it over here, but this time I'll use register not found and register not found custom component. Let me go here. Now you got not found custom component. What I'll do, I'll use register which is already existing, and I'll use ABC. Now also it is taking the top level not found component. For example, let me go here and remove this and go here. Now you can see it is giving only the top level default not found page. So whenever you want to have a not found page, that should be at the top level itself, because it is completely based on the routings. So whatever you are creating inside the folders, that will not work as expected for not found pages. So let me move this at the app level, and let me make it as not found custom component, and this is also not found custom component. Let me save this, and you can see not found custom component. So whenever you want to create a customized not found page, then you have to create not found.js file at the app level, and that will be rendered with a customized content instead of using the default Next.js not found page. So that's about your not found page in Next.js. In the upcoming video, we will see some more details of Next.js and different types of files, how they work in Next.js. That's it for this video. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.